Balance is key for me. You do what you want to do with your hair and with your coins, but for me, I'm gonna have a good balance. Okay.
All things MoElle. Said who that is? All things MoElle.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of All Things MoElle. Welcome to my channel. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. I cannot believe that we are in 2025. Like, what is life actually right now? What is it? You guys might have noticed I did not do my traditional favorites of the year. I filmed that video and then I just decided I didn't like it. And I decided what I wanted to do instead was just to do a favorites series where I kind of talk to you guys about all of the products in various categories that I'm just loving right now at the moment. And plus, it's been a while since I gave you guys my updated favorites, either here on my channel or on my Instagram or my TikTok. So I figured that now is a good time to do an updated favorite series. So that is what we're going to be doing. This is going to be my series for the entire month of January. So if you're not already subscribed, we would love to have you here so that you can, you know, see all of the things, join the MoElle-ian community. Because these videos are probably going to be long enough as it is, I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole intro. Let's just go ahead and jump right into day one. And day one is going to be all about my favorites cleansers for the hair. So these particular favorites for shampoos go kind of in order from clarifying to moisturizing. So it's kind of like a little spectrum, you know what I'm saying? The first one that I have not talked about on my channel before, but I tried this for the first time last year and it's already time for a repurchase. That one comes from Sacred. This is actually the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. It does have like some tiny little scrubbing particles in there, but they're very fine to give my scalp a nice little exfoliation. I love the packaging of this. I love that it has that concentrated nozzle because I can put it exactly where I need to go, which is on my scalp. And even though it is a clarifying shampoo, this is one of those shampoos that it clarifies without stripping your hair. I know that that is the purpose of a clarifying shampoo, to take everything off. This does that without making your hair feel super dry and parched afterwards. Like, I love that. I didn't even include this in my initial Sacred review because I hadn't tried this yet. I didn't purchase this at that time. I'm so glad I went back and bought this because yes. The second product that I have is also a clarifying shampoo, but it is more on the gentle side. This one comes from my beloved Miche. If you've been rocking with me since the beginning, you know I've loved Miche from the beginning. Like, I tried this brand for the first time in 2019 and it has consistently given me the results that I need every time I use these products. So this one is the Detox Gentle Clarifying Shampoo for dry, itchy scalp. This is the updated packaging. Again, it has this nice nozzle. We love that for a shampoo because I like to focus my shampoos on my scalp anyways to start off with and then drag it down the lengths of my hair. But yeah, I love that it detoxes literally without being too harsh on the hair. It smells amazing. It's made with apple cider vinegar, which is great for removing that product buildup. So I just love this. I've consistently loved this since I first tried it. Also, I do have a discount link for Miche products in my description box, so you might want to check that out if you're interested in purchasing some Miche and you want to save a little bit of coin, okay? The third shampoo that I have on my list comes from my beloved Olaplex. The last 2 years have really been about restoring the health, the thickness, the fullness, and also the integrity of my actual hair strand. So because of that, Olaplex has been my bestie, okay? For the past 2 years, I have loved me some Olaplex. I've used Olaplex in the salon when going to get my hair done professionally, and I use it at home as well because it is amazing for healthier hair. So this shampoo is no different. This is the number 4 bond maintenance shampoo that repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. I agree with that. It's really good for making sure that your hair is strengthened and repaired, but also gives you that, like, that fluffy, weightless feel because it's salon quality. It doesn't have a whole bunch of oils and butters and all those things. One thing that I have found in the last year or so is that sometimes using products that aren't marketed for natural hair, those, you know, salon quality products that other people might use that we might not think is for us, those have been giving me the best results. I'm just saying. Next, we have another product from Sacred. Now, this one I did talk about before on my channel. I did a first impressions, and since we did that first impressions, I've already repurchased this because she is bomb. This is the hydrating shampoo from Sacred. It's just everything that you would want in a shampoo. I love using this to double cleanse. Like, I go in with that scrub first and then go in with this one after, and you would never know that my hair was double cleansed as far as like the moisture level. It's very clean, but it's not squeaky clean. It's still very hydrated. All that buildup is gone. The hair is bouncy. It has movement. The lather is luxurious, and I love me a good lather. I have been reaching for this consistently since I did that initial review. And like I said, I've already repurchased it. I have already repurchased it, and we're on bottle number 2 because it is amazing. So I highly recommend this one of my favorites for sure. The next shampoo I have not talked about on my channel, except to say that I wanted to try this. I finally tried it, and this one is from Redken. This is the All Soft shampoo. When I tell y'all, I haven't tried many shampoos that make my hair feel the way that this one feels after I rinse it out. My hair is so freaking soft when I rinse this. It literally feels like if you put your hand in a bag of cotton balls. That's how my hair feels when I rinse this off, but clean at the same time. It's very lightly fragranced, nothing that is overpowering at all. It doesn't linger. It contains argan oil. It's a pH balance formula. I feel like this is good for all hair types. I like using this when I'm going to do a natural style. I like using this when I'm going to blow my hair out. Like, it's really multi-purpose in my opinion. So I don't know why it took me so long to finally try this. This has been around for years. The girls have been loving this for years. So I was a little late to the party, but now I'm here, okay? We here. So now we're kind of moving more into the products that are kind of geared towards curly hair. Balance is key, beloved. Okay, I just need to say that. All right, so boom, Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo. This should not be a surprise if you have been rocking with me. I love me some Nature's Little Secret. She has a few shampoos now. This one continues to be the one that I just always go back to. It's very nourishing, like it says. I love that fresh cucumber scent. I just feel so refreshed and rejuvenated when I use this. It cleanses really well, but it's not a harsh cleanser. Lathers beautifully. Does a great job of removing product buildup. It just does everything that I need it to do in a shampoo. And it does not tangle my hair back up. Like, this is one of the shampoos that I could wash my hair without it being in twists, and I would be just fine because we're not going to get tangled up. And it just gets the job done every single time. So she is always going to be holy girl status for me. I also have a link and a coupon code for Nature's Little Secret if you're interested. So check out the description box. The next one comes from Camille Rose. This is the Coconut Water Curl Cleanse Sulfate-Free Hydrating Shampoo. To me, this performs very similarly to the Nature's Little Secret one that I just talked about. This one just has a different scent. It's a little thicker as well. But yeah, it smells like coconut and banana to me. This was on my favorites list last year for a reason. It's still one that I consistently grab, especially if I'm like coming out of a wash and go and I'm going like back into another wash and go. This is really good for that. It's a quick cleanse that gets that excess product off of my scalp, off of my strands, but doesn't dry my hair out. Love her down. Love her down. All right, we got 2 more. This one comes from Trey Lux. This is the Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. It is a rinse, so you're not going to get like a super thick and luxurious lather with this. You get just enough to get the job done. And I feel like we need products like that in our rotation. You know what I'm saying? So this is my favorite product for if I need like a quick cleanse to quickly go into my next style. This is what I'm going to grab for those kinds of days. So definitely recommend this one for that. Last but not least comes from my beloved Donna's Recipe by Auntie Tab. This is the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Moisturizing Shampoo. This is probably one of the most moisturizing shampoos that I have in my collection. And again, this is not one that I'm going to grab when I need my hair super clarified. No, this is the opposite of a clarifying shampoo in my opinion. This is a gentle cleanse. If you are somebody who has like dry hair all the time, no matter what you do to it, but you know you still have to cleanse your hair, you know you still gotta wash it, you would enjoy something like this. So this is not one that I use every single wash day because again, balance is key. But when my hair is just extra parched and when I know that I'm about to go in and do a natural style like a twist out or a braid out, something where I don't mind having a little extra oil or a little extra heaviness on my hair because of the moisture, then that's when I'm going to go in with this one. And then the smell, it smells just like sweet potato pie. This is great to use in the colder months as well because our hair tends to be a little drier around that time of the year. Get you some of this because your hair will thank you later. Okay. All right, y'all. So that is it for part 1 of my fave series. Y'all know how we like to do it over here. This is a community that likes to help the people out. So if there is a shampoo that you really love that was not included in this, drop it in the comments. Let us know why it's your favorite. If some of your faves did make my list, I would love to hear about that too. So join me in the comments and let's talk about all things shampoo. Okay, we're just beginning. Okay, we got a whole month full of favorites, so make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
No, I'm still going yeah. Who that is? All things MoElle. I said who that is? All things MoElle. Man, who that is? All things MoElle. Okay, who that is? All things MoElle.